Yeah, check out these two Blink mounts that I've received from the brand to try out. So this is great, especially if you have the Blink modules and you want to mount it and you don't want to like string the USB-C just kind of laying on the floor. There are two different options. We have the Blink Sync for module 2, and then this is for the XR. And if you're not quite sure, this is what it looks like. These are purchased individually, and depending on the type of module you'll have, you want to make sure you just purchase the correct one. Now, if you have the XR, it does come with this little adapter. You just plug it into the adapter, and then this is a magnetic, and the way it works is that it sits right on here, and then it'll charge as you have it plugged in. And then we also have this other option which already has a USB-C, so you can just drop your Blink module right in there. It also does come with the adhesive tape, and you can just apply it right here just to give it a little extra stability since this is so wide. I have the XR, so this is going to be perfect for my setup, so I don't have it randomly just sitting on the ground. But I hope you all found this helpful, and have a great one.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.